Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today we are making a no-bake berry jelly cheesecake. So in just 3 easy steps, we are going to have the yummiest dessert and it looks so good. Let's make it. Now let's start. I cut up some strawberries earlier and I have some raspberries. So that's our beautiful red fruit, and we're going to prepare the gelatin first. So I have 1 cup of room temperature water and 30 grams of powdered gelatin. I'm just going to sprinkle it and mix it. I'm just going to let this stand for a bit and then we'll put the hot water on it. I'm just pouring 3 cups of water in here, hot water. Now we'll just let it sit for a bit and everything will dissolve. I'm also going to put a little bit of lemon juice and sugar in this to flavor it because it is unflavored gelatin. I'm just going to let this cool slightly and let's set up our cups. So you want to use clear glasses or cups so that you can see the pretty design. And what we do is I just have a loaf pan here. You can use a cupcake tray. We just sort of wedge the glass in there so it's at a bit of a slant, and then we'll add our fruit. So I have strawberries and raspberries. The gelatin has cooled a little bit and I'm just going to pour it in. So I have some crushed graham crackers here that I mixed with melted butter, and what we'll do is we'll just carefully spoon it in, and that will be our graham cracker layer. So just like that, now you have a layer of graham crackers. They're totally yummy. Now I'm just going to pop these in the fridge for a couple of hours and let them set, and then we'll do the next step. Also, I'm going to have these dessert recipes, baking recipes, and these pretty presentation ideas here every week. So please remember to subscribe, and if you like the video, please like the video because it really helps me. Okay, step 3, let's make the cheesecake part. So this is a easy peasy no bake cheesecake. So I have 16 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to lightly beat it. And your cream cheese has to be at room temperature. Then we're adding 14 ounces of condensed milk. Ooh, look at that. This will be nice and rich. Also a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, once this is combined and nice and creamy, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and the combination of these ingredients is what will set this cheesecake. It's no bake, no gelatin. So these were chilling in the fridge. Now we're just going to spoon the cheesecake in. It's already setting. You guys, look how pretty! So, if you don't want to do the jelly part, you can just put the graham cracker crust in the bottom and the cheesecake on top. But don't do that. This is so pretty. I hope you try it. Now let's taste it. It's so good. You have to try it. So the full recipe will be on my website nadineali.com, and please remember to subscribe because I'm gonna have these yummy dessert and baking recipes here every week. Please hit the bell so you don't miss anything and like the video, and I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time.